Welcome to the first episode in the Summer of Steam series. Today I'm going to show you Grane Mill in Rossendale, Lancashire. This mill is owned by a guy I know called David Arnfield. It is complete, still with its boilers, as you can see on the screen here, which are Lancashire type. The boiler in front of you here can run on fire. The fire can be lit, but it hasn't made steam just yet. This engine here, which you can see, believe it or not, was bought on eBay. It is not complete just yet. He has got all the parts for it. He intends to put it back together and steam in the hopeful near future. Now to the main engine house, where there is the cross-compound steam engine which powered the looms. The valve gear was originally stolen, but David actually managed to find the original valve gear in a scrapyard. Now this engine can be turned over using a motor on the barring engine, so I'm going to be quiet now and just watch this engine slowly turn over on the barring engine. It does this for about a minute or so, doing just one stroke. Yeah.
Took me 3 weeks of each side of the wheel.
I hope you enjoyed that demonstration of the engine running on a motor. Once the valve gear is reassembled and the boiler supply is reconnected, then the engine shall be run under her own steam. So what is the history behind the Grane Mill engine? Well, it was built in 1907 and it is a 500 horsepower cross-compound SS Stott steam engine. The boilers are a Yates and Tom boiler plant. At its height, it had powered over 1,000 Lancashire looms until the company went into liquidation in 1978. By that point, the steam engine had been decommissioned. The mill site and equipment were then bought by Gordon Briggs, who has been working to restore the other remaining part of the site that he currently owns. That is the yard, remainder of the North Light Shed, original boardroom and the general pay offices, as well as the late 1930s office which had been inserted over the weaver's entrance between the offices and the boiler house. He is hoping to open a vintage transport museum utilising his section of the mill, and a trust has been set up to achieve this, but as of now this has not been open to the public. David Arnfield hopes to open the mill for Heritage Open Days and National Mills Weekend. He currently does this and demonstrates the engine on electric motor. But now it's playtime, because David has an amazing collection of stationary steam engines in one of the storerooms at the mill. So we're going to run these engines on compressed air. So right now we are lubricating the Samuel Baldwin Heap LTD stationary steam engine, and I'm just turning an oiler on there ready to run it. So now let's give it some compressed air. Whoa.
That's to stop that running. There we go. You landed on the end one. Yeah, don't stop.
It's not that middle bearing, because that's...
You can't see it being that.
No. That's got oil in it there. That's feeding in with the drip one.
Not without.
Could be actually, yeah.
That's weird, that. Why is it not pushing?
I really hope you enjoyed this video. Massive thank you to David Armfield for showing me around the mill. Keep watching for more videos just like this. Thanks for watching. See you later.